Hi guys, today I have a Louis Vuitton bag unboxing for you, and this is a brand new bag from the Resort Collection 2026. So let's take a look. So first I got a little perfume sample. This is, I assume, my receipt. We're not looking at that, obviously. And then this is the box. So this is what it looks like. So like I said, this is from the Resort Collection. So that just released. I ordered this online. It took about 4 weeks to ship. So yeah, let's unbox it. So I did already take a look. I just wanted to make sure everything's okay. The ribbon was tied a little bit nicer, but anyways, there's this little, whatever thing this is, little charm. So the box looks different than the regular box because like I said, it's the Resort Collection. This is what it looks like. Then you have the opening right here. Okay. You have the Louis Vuitton dust bag and big reveal. So it's a Alma BB in an Epi leather in a pink color. I think this color is called Rose Miami, if I'm not mistaken. This is what it looks like. I didn't take the tag off yet. So it has the little LV embossed here, and this is the Epi leather. I think this color is called Rose Miami. They have a blue and orange as well, but obviously I have to go for the pink one. This has silver hardware, which I really like. I'm a huge on silver hardware. And then inside it has a strap that I will never ever use, but it's there if you like to wear it crossbody. Then it has this really cute bag charm, which I also don't know if I'm going to use. It is pretty cute, but I don't know. And then I assume this is the lock for your bag. Let's just check. Yeah, it's a lock and key. I don't think I have to undo it. You'll all see in the lock. It has a little indentation here. I'm not sure if you can see. It doesn't really bother me, but I think that might be from the strap or something. Not sure. But I wanted to also show you, I actually already have this bag just in the canvas. So let's just take a look. So this is my original bag. This is in canvas in the damier ebene. And I mean, obviously I like this bag since I bought it the second time, right? And I have to say, this bag is so lightweight. And I have to say, this one is really lightweight as well. Like, I can't even tell any difference. I would think that the leather one's gonna be heavier, but honestly, it's not. And this color is just, when I saw it, I just had to have it, obviously. Because this is just an unboxing, I can't really review this bag, but I can still tell you what I think about it because I have this one already. So if you're familiar with the Alma BB, or if you have one, the new one from the Resort Collection is the exact same size. And like I said, it has a feet, everything. Like I said, this one has a silver hardware. If you get the blue or the orange one, I'm not sure what hardware that is. You would have to check online. But this one has a gold hardware. The zipper goes basically all around. It's also lined, I believe this is micro suede, in the same pink color. So I would assume if you get the blue one or the orange one, it's gonna be again lined in the same color. It has one pocket here and then that's it. Other than that, it's just a big open space. And then let's try the zippers. Oh, the zippers are really smooth on this one. I remember when I got this one, the zippers were not as smooth, but over time it gets better. I will take off this little tag and then I'll show you a little bit closer. The Epi leather, I don't have anything in Epi leather, but I know that this is really durable, so this should be really good. Also, price-wise, I wanted to mention, I ordered it, I think about like a week after it got released on the website, and I think it was 3,200 Canadian, and a little bit after it jumped up in price just by $100, but still. So I think now it's 3,300. So just something to note, they did have a small price increase. Honestly, I would love to buy the blue one as well. The orange is really nice, but the blue is super nice as well, but I can be buying, you know, all the same bags all the time, obviously. But yeah, I'm very happy with this. The color is amazing, is nice and vibrant. It's like a real Barbie bag. And this will be nice with any kind of monochrome outfit or just black, white, a lot of pink too, obviously. And yeah, like, I'm just very surprised how lightweight it is, and like, this is gonna be so comfortable, because especially because I already know that this one is. I haven't seen this bag in store yet, but I heard that they will have it in store. But I think if you want to get it now, you might have to order it. I did want to order it just because I want to use it for summer, so I don't want to wait till like August when they release it in store. And I wanted to check the little charm that comes with it. So it does have the little plastic on it. It has a little plastic all over here. This charm is actually pretty nice. Let me just try to put it on there. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the charm. Yeah, I'm honestly not sure if I'm gonna use the charm or not. I think maybe without it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm definitely not going to use the little lock with the key. I just don't find use for that. Like, it's kind of cute, but you know. Do you guys use these? So this is my quick unboxing of the Alma BB in the Rose Miami color from the Resort 2026 collection. So guys, let me know what you think, if you like this bag or if you have any other questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!